Hi, it's Teresa with Crafty with Teresa. Thank you so much for joining me today. Well, as promised, here is my end of month video. For my new subscribers, and I do have some new ones, thank you so much for joining me. For those that have been with me for a while, thank you so much for sticking with me. I appreciate you very much. This is the video that I put out to actually show you all the different things that are done throughout the month. These could be cards, they could be scrapbook layouts, and in this case you're going to actually see some crafts because this is Crafty with Teresa. So let's take a look. First, just a quick peek at the January and February catalog. I meant to show it earlier, didn't get a chance, so just a quick sneak peek of it. We started off in January with Let's Party, and then in February we'll be working with Sweet Memories. And you'll hear more about that later. So the quick and easy cards that I put together this month were actually probably not quick and easy for some of the beginners, but they were fun and they were definitely a learning experience. We did some fractured cards, we did fun fold card, and we also did a double fun fold card, which can also be labeled a double fun fold flap card. Next, let's take a look at the sheet load of cards. I was able to get a farmhouse card done on my video, but I also had some other cards that I was able to get done as well. Take a look. And last but not least, here are some of the miscellaneous items I was able to get done. First, let's take a look at those Let's Party scrapbook layouts. I've got some done, but there's more to come. Next, I'm super excited. My two team members allowed me to put their pictures in here. First, we have Donna's cards. And next we have Diana's cards, which are super special because she was able to get these done with her daughter. Then here's also a look at some of the crafts that I was able to get completed. Yes, I know these were Christmas crafts, but I didn't get a chance to put those out in December, so take a look. Some cute gnomes that are actually Kleenex cylinders and a cute disguise for them. And then how about some corkscrews that I turned into Christmas ornaments. And just a little bit of a sneak peek, coming soon in February you'll see some cards, probably Easter and Mother's Day, that will come out of the Sweet Memories kit. As well as, this is a stretch for me, but I'm going to create my own one sheet wonder layout guide with some cards. So, thank you again for joining me. If you haven't already had a chance, please subscribe, hit that notification button so you can see new videos as they come in. Oh, and like and comment. It helps YouTube to notice me. Until next time, have a great day.